Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Koenigsegg Motorhome Superluxury Palace is a bold combination of the spacious comfort of a luxury recreational vehicle and the extreme hypercar performance DNA. It is necessary to extend Koenigsegg's commitment to lightweight materials, cutting-edge engineering, and astounding speed into the field of mobile luxury living in order to envision such a creation. This potential motorhome's outside appearance would probably go against the grain of traditional RV aesthetics. Anticipate a low-slung profile, aggressive aerodynamic components derived from Koenigsegg's hypercars, and a significant amount of carbon fiber to maximize structural stiffness and reduce weight. Incorporating signature Koenigsegg design features, such as the wraparound windshield and possibly even larger-scale dihedral synchrohelix doors, could result in an aesthetically striking and instantly identifiable presence. The super luxury palace's interior, which is designed for luxurious living, surely reflects Koenigsegg's dedication to custom craftsmanship and state-of-the-art technology. Picture a roomy design with well-created materials like Alcantara, premium leathers, and special lightweight composites. Modern entertainment and control technologies might be smoothly integrated into the living area's elegant yet simple furnishings. A luxurious sleeping area with the utmost in comfort and a gourmet kitchenette, possibly with concealed or deployable appliances to provide a clean appearance, would be essential. The fine materials, the meticulous attention to detail, and the overall feeling of custom exclusivity would highlight the palace element. Beyond just looks, the super luxury classification would include upscale amenities, and possibly even custom features made to the owner's specifications. A cutting-edge music system, climate control that provides the utmost comfort in every setting, and smooth smart home integration are a few examples. Given Koenigsegg's engineering expertise, a strong and cutting-edge powertrain would probably support the motorhome component. One may envision a powerful, potentially hybrid system designed for both performance and relative efficiency for a car of this size, even though the exact engine layout is hypothetical. Advanced suspension technology would probably be included into the chassis to create a surprisingly comfortable and nimble ride, defying the traditional handling characteristics of a motorhome. Optimizing performance and efficiency would require Koenigsegg's signature lightweight design. The 2026 Koenigsegg Motorhome Superluxury Palace essentially aims to create a mobile haven where the ultimate in luxury living on the road is combined with the exceptional performance and creative design of a hypercar manufacturer. Serving an ultra-exclusive clientele looking for the pinnacle of mobile luxury and unique flair, it is a daring and unheard of concept that pushes the limits of what a motorhome can be.